Perfect corned beef and cabbage. Every time. Taters. Yo. Baby carrots. Also start with 3 cups of water in your crock pot. Spice pack should come with the corned beef. Throw it in the pot. Some people cut up a half onion and put it in there. Not me, I don't like onions. Bay leaf. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon minced garlic or 3 garlic cloves. Half teaspoon of black pepper. Ground black pepper. Stir it up a bit. Add your brisket. Mine's a little over 3 pounds. Wash your hands. Now this is optional, but I usually put a bottle of Guinness in there just for extra magic. Tastes pretty good. And one for yourself. Now, it's going to take about 8 to 9 hours on low and about 4 to 5 hours on high. Choice is yours. Then take a half head of cabbage and add it in during the last hour. Voila.